Hey folks, it's Josh with TechBee. In this video, let's check out the most suitable models for you based on price, performance, durability, and more. If you wish to know more, go through the links given down the description. Let's get started.
YouTube has steadily become the go-to video platform for people who want to reach broader viewers. Most cameras can shoot YouTube-worthy content these days, but a professional camera can give your creation a natural lift, and at the same time, it can also help your channel to look more professionalized.
Not everyone can afford big bucks on the pricey models on the market. This one is the right pick for you if you're looking for a budget option.
This built-in compact camera features a rear 3-inch LCD touchscreen with a side flip-out design and makes it ideal for filming yourself or taking selfies naturally and intuitively. Its dedicated windscreen with a built-in mic can help you to achieve cleaner audio while working outdoors, and it incorporates directional 3 capsules for forward directional audio. Plus, its advanced active steady shot image stabilization mode ensures steady video while moving and combines optical and electronic stabilization methods for effective results. And its stacked CMOS sensor and Bion's X image processor contribute to impressively fast performance with a wide-ranging sensitivity.
If you don't get your money's worth, there's no point in purchasing the costly models. Well, buddy, the next product on this list gives you the best value for your bucks spent today.
This XS10 offers renowned Fujifilm design, engineering, and color science in an accessible package. It features APS-C format, 26.1 megapixels, X-Trans CMOS force sensor, with a back-illuminated design to achieve smooth tonal and color rendering, improved low light performance, and a broad native sensitivity range of ISO 160-12800. And it utilizes a randomized pixel array that provides a high degree of image quality and sharpness due to the omission of an optical low-pass filter. Plus, its built-in 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization helps minimize camera shake's appearance by up to 5 stops. And it also offers a versatile array of video capabilities, including internal UHD 4K recording at up to 30 frames per second and full HD recording up to 240 frames per second for ultra slow motion playback. Its compact design with a sizable right-hand grip enables solid and stable handling for comfortable all-day use. And its integrated Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity allow for wirelessly sharing the images to a mobile device or using the device to control the camera remotely.
Are you looking for the highest end model here? Next up is the model that none in the market can compete with.
This Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is an intelligent camera characterized by its advanced sensor design and flexible imaging capabilities. It offers notable imaging performance distinguished by high speed and low noise, and it supports vertical video recording and live streaming through YouTube via a Canon Image Gateway account. Plus, its versatile 4.2 times optical zoom lens covers a wide-angle to short telephoto 24 to 100mm equivalent focal length range. And its fast maximum aperture affords greater control over the depth of field for working with selective focus. Its in-camera battery charging from a power bank, outlet, or computer is possible via the USB port. And its built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi permit wirelessly transferring images to a linked mobile device.
If you're looking for a mid-range model, then this next pick is a great option.
This DJI Pocket 2 is a tiny camera that lets you single-handedly record memorable moments. It comes equipped with stabilizing movement and takes sharp photos and smooth videos. Its creator combo includes a wide-angle lens, a do-it-all handle, USB Type-A to Type-C splitter, a wireless microphone transmitter, and a micro tripod. And its single-handed capture allows you to begin shooting in 1 second to capture photos and videos at the speed of life. Furthermore, it features a 1 to 1.7 inch sensor, up to 64 megapixel photos, video recording up to 4K 60 frames per second, and hybrid AF 2.0. And its time-lapse lets you turn hours into seconds, while its motion lapse adds smooth camera movement. Its AI editor can automatically combine your clips with transitions and music to create share-worthy content. And its stabilized camera can take sharp 8x zoom stills up to 4 times zoom on 1080p video, and up to 2 times zoom on 4K video.
Now, if durability is your primary concern, then the next product would be an ideal choice for you.
This groundbreaking Hero 9 Black sports a beastly 23.6 megapixel sensor for ridiculous 5K video and stunning 20 megapixel photos. It can capture up to 5K at 30 frames per second resolution video and maintain great detail even when zooming in. And it also offers lifelike image sharpness, fluid motion, and in-camera horizon leveling for optimal image quality with its 23.6 megapixel sensor. Plus, it is compatible with multiple add-on mods that expand the camera for a more comprehensive workflow. And its optional mods include the Max Lens mod, Light mod, and Media mod. Its rear touch screen makes it easier to control your camera, frame up your shot, play back footage, snap a selfie, and more. And it incorporates a more advanced video stabilization with HyperSmooth 3.0 that enables in-camera horizon leveling and boost in all settings.
If you are someone who travels often, then this model will be perfect for you. It's one of the greatest picks for traveling.
This Osmo Action from DJI comes with a wide range of high-resolution features within its tiny frame. Its 1 to 2.3-inch CMOS sensor and wide f/2.8 lens can record up to 4K 60p HDR video and 12 megapixel photos. And its Action's dual screens allow you to capture it all with the touch of a button. Plus, its Rocksteady technology combines EIS with complex algorithms for delivering stable, shake-free footage without considering how heavy the action gets. And its 5 voice commands make essential functions like filming, capturing photos, and powering down the device effortless. Its dual microphones with noise reduction technology and dual speakers can input audio with an external microphone using the USB Type-C input. And it can withstand drops from 5 feet and can be submerged down to 36 feet in water without a case for up to 30 minutes.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.